If you're tired of points-based rewards and want to start earning cash back on your PM services, head to LubeZoneRewards.com on your PC or mobile device. Click the Sign In Register button on the home screen, then click Register to create your free account. Fill out the form completely, then click Create My Account to submit your information. Now that you're registered, you'll automatically earn cash rewards every time you visit LubeZone Truck Lube Centers. You can use LubeZoneRewards.com to check your rewards history, check your card balance, find answers to some frequently asked questions, and contact our support team. Want easier access to LubeZoneRewards.com on your mobile device? See the yellow pop-up box on the home screen for a solution. Follow the directions on the screen for your iOS or Android device, and in just a couple of clicks, you will have single-click access to your account on your home screen. Follow the link in the description box to sign up for free today.